Hello dear students. Today we will see how to construct an involute of a circle of 30 millimeter diameter. So firstly it is essential to know about what is the meaning of involute. Involute is nothing but it is a locus of a point on a straight line. Suppose this is a straight line. So it is a locus of a point on a straight line which is rolling on a circle without slipping. It is a locus of a point on a straight line which is rolling on a circle without slipping. So at that time, what will happen? As this straight line will start rolling on the circle, this point will come closer and closer to the circle as the line rolls, and at the end, it will meet a point on the circle. So this is an involute. Let us see how to construct an involute if the diameter of the circle is 30 millimeter. So your first step is to construct a circle which is having diameter equal to 30 millimeter as given in the problem. So your first step is to construct a circle of 30 millimeter diameter. Your next step, through the base, draw one horizontal line, straight horizontal line of any length. Then, the next step, find out a distance equal to circumference of the circle. The formula for it is 2 pi r. Find the value of 2 pi r or pi d. Pi d 3.14 multiplied by the diameter is 30. So something tentatively equal to 92 millimeter, 92 or 94 millimeter, some value you will get the appropriate multiplication of these two values and take that distance from this point along this straight line. So this distance is equal to 2 pi r. Whatever the value you will get of the circumference, take here, mark this point as point P. The next step, divide the circle into 12 equal parts. Divide the circle into 12 equal parts. In the previous video, I have told you how to divide any circle into 12 equal parts. That procedure is important. You can refer my previous YouTube video. Next step, give number to all the points. Give number to all the point in a specific way only. How? This point will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. The next step is to divide this line segment into again 12 equal part. One separate video I have given previously, 2 days before. You can refer that video to divide this line segment into 12 equal parts. So here directly I will divide this line segment into 12 equal parts. So this 2, 4, in this way we have divided this line segment into 12 equal parts. We can name these points as, let this point is P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, P9, P10, P11. Last point is P or P12. The next step you have to do some little carefully, and that is to draw radial lines. This center point, let the center point is point O. Join this center to 1, 2, all these points you have to join. And immediately after this, immediately after this, you have to draw perpendicular line to these radial lines. For example, O1, you have to draw a line which is perpendicular to O1 passing through point 1. See carefully. This line is exactly perpendicular to O1 and passing through 1 on the circle. Repeat the same for O2 perpendicular line. O3 ka perpendicular line will pass through this point upward, perpendicular for 4, perpendicular for 5, for 6, for 7, for 8, for 9, for 10, and for 11. Through all the points on the circle, you have to draw perpendicular line to their radial lines. This is your next step. After this, the last step, take P1 to P12 distance in your compass. Take P1 to P12 distance in your compass from point 1 on the circle. Cut a line to its tangent line somewhere here. I repeat again, take P1 to P12 distance on this straight line as it is 1 from the 1 on the circle, cut its tangent line. Next step, take P2 to P12 distance on the line from 2 on the circle, cut its tangent line. P3 to P12 distance from 3, cut the tangent line. From P4, you have to repeat same. Take P4 to P12, from 4, from P5 to P12, from 5 in this way. You have to find these different points along these different tangent lines. This is the last point, that is distance P11 to P12. From the point 11, this is 11, you have to cut here. This is the last point. And now the final step to join all these points either freehand or using French curve to this point P12. This is the start point. Do not use any compass to join this arc. Simply by freehand or using French curve you have to join all these points. It will touch the bottommost point of the circle at the end. Your start point is P12 and the last point is this bottommost point on the circle. So this curve generated or obtained is called as, and it is involute of a circle of 30 millimeter diameter.